So this is how you make the quizzes. So you put a title, and then there's the cover, which I recommend you put. And then you just like give a little summary there. So my quiz is, in which musical would you shine the brightest? I did Broadway musicals, so I put, now you had to put outcomes first. So these are the results. These are the musicals. So Hamilton is one, of course. And then I put something there like, get ready to sing about a notable founding father. I made a little reference to the production. And then I did the same for Mamma Mia and Annie. Those are the three musicals I picked. And when it says support display of multiple outcomes, add call to action, or redirect to landing page, do not select any of them because see, it's for the business plan, which we do not have. And yeah, so you don't have to select any of that and it won't affect your quizzes. So now you add questions. So for this one, I put which class is your favorite? And then I put history, music, and humanities. So humanities, for those of you that don't know, is the study of other cultures around the world. So here in this part, it says associate with. So that's the one where if you click history, you'll get Hamilton. Like it's associated with Hamilton. If you select music, you get Annie or Mamma Mia. If but like it, it's closer to Annie. And then if you get humanities, you get Mamma Mia, but then you get you get the idea. So it's, and then you can always like move it like this. So this is like a strong association, and this is a weak association. And right there, pick a place to live. So there you get an island in Greece. I'm associating that with Mamma Mia because that's where the production was set. Then for Hamilton, I put New York City. And then there for Annie, I put a little bit of New York City because that's where the film was set. And then the mansion is Annie's because when she was adopted, she lived in a mansion. Um, and then here I put pick a hobby. So, a hobby, something fun. So playing Monopoly, that's the game with finances and all that. I put Hamilton for that because he was the founder of the first bank of the United States. And then playing with your dog, I put Annie because she had this really cute dog named Sandy. And then for dancing at a hotel, I put Mamma Mia because the owner owned a hotel and she was always dancing and singing. So yeah. And also for these things, don't put randomized order of answers or allow more than one answer because it's a premium feature. Okay, and then things like what color is your favorite? So you just associate it. Like for red, I put Andy because Andy's a redhead. For blue, I put Hamilton, and for turquoise. So you just keep doing that. And then congrats, you just want a free vacation. Where are you going? You just associate it. And that's it. After that, like you see all this, do not select anything there. You just hit show navigation bar, which I think they clicked that for you. Then you hit save. Of course, saving is very, very important. Otherwise, all of your hard work will disappear. And then once it's saved, you go to embed and share. And then you hit copy. So you copy the link and then you send it to me.